YouTube. Welcome back to Perry's Perfect Pulls. And today we have another special treat for y'all. A nice Court Kings 2022-23 season. There's 10 cards in this pack. Could find an autograph and a memorabilia card. Let's see. There's to 149s, a few of them, few to 75s. Yeah, man. Let's see what this boy Ja Morant's up to, man. Let's see what he got going on. Put that to the side. Where box looks pretty dope. Okay. One pack. Let's put that right there. I'll put that over here. Okay. Let's see what this bad boy got. And yes, if you were wondering, I am one of those people that take my time with the cards because they're so delicate. Okay, first up, let me move this thing so my arm could rest. Okay, we have a Cade Cunningham. It's pretty nice. Probably a base. Put this over here. Put this. We got a Simons, Anthony Simons. Pretty clean. Pretty dope. We got a Ant Edwards. Looks like this one's okay. A Joker. Let's go. Probably base. Yeah, definitely base. But it's a purple, so, I'll take it. Anything they're throwing at me, I'll take it. The next one's a jersey card, excuse me. What number is that? 49. Charlie Wade. Who is this guy? What the heck? Do I like his signature? I don't know. I mean, cool card, but, I'll take it. Is this a LeBron? Looks like it's a LeBron, guys. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Whoa. Is this a LeBron jersey card? What the freak? Hold up. Put this under. Wait, what? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay. I'm a little bit more happy now. Artistic endeavors. LeBron James. That's pretty dope. That is cool. Game worn. Wow. Yeah. This is getting, yeah. Where's the sleeve at? Yeah. Cause, yeah. 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 Okay. LeBron, wow. Game worn, too. Can't make this up, man. Wow. I waited months to open that pack. That's crazy. LeBron-y. Let me sleeve up that, this rookie. Even though, you know, he's not my, we gotta respect all these guys, you know. At least he signed it, you know. Half these guys ain't even signing theirs. Wow. That LeBron has to go over here somewhere. Somewhere up here, I'll put it, whatever. Okay, next card is, ooh. Whew. Probably an insert. I love Joker. Since they just won the championship, you know. Okay. I'm liking that one. Let's get a sleeve here. Okay, Joker. Watercolor, probably. That says. Over there. Some here. Okay. This is not the last one. Another LeBron. Yo, they're blessing. What? They're going LeBron crazy for the kid. What is going on? A LeBron. Aura? Sheesh. This is insane. A LeBron aura. Why'd they do? Wow, what? There's absolutely no way. There's like literally no way. Yeah, it's difficult to see over this damn stand. Wow, another LeBron. 2 LeBrons. Game worn and an aura. I think an aura insert. Oh, I already seen the next one. I didn't see the player, but I seen the name. I seen that it's a rookie. Oh, man. Let's make some room, man. Okay. Peyton Watson, rookie. Okay. Wow. Let me get this Jimmy Butler. Stick that Butler in there nice and smoothly. I'm like trying to be so delicate with these dang cards, man. Any little nick or cranny, they can mess it up. That's an 8 to a 6 real quick, huh? How about that one? Okay, so we got a rookie 1. Not the best, but hey, I'll take my rookies any day. Not numbered, but it is a sweet card. Let's get that in a sleeve. Let's get that in a sleeve, man. Let's get it in a sleeve. I always try to make my videos quick, but I'm just admiring the cards too much. I'm getting used to presenting them to you guys. So bear with me. That is another great hit. Wow. Okay, so last but not least, another Dyson Daniels. Ooh-wee. Rookie 2 now. Okay. pretty sick, man. I like the red rookie symbol. That's fire. That goes crazy. Wow. Okay, let's get the sleeve too. Alrighty. And that's gonna conclude this video. Oh shoot, I'm not gonna the camera side. Let's go over our review. We have a Dyson Daniels rookie 2. That is beautiful. We got a Peyton Watson rookie 1. I'm pretty sure this is Nikola Jokic watercolor insert, if I'm not mistaken. We have Charlie Ward signed out of 49, 4 out of 49. We got a Joker base, purple base. Anthony Edwards base, Anthony Simmons base, Cade Cunningham base, and to end it off, we have a LeBron aura and a LeBron artistic game-worn patch on it. Yeah, these were definitely some great hits, if you ask me. This aura card is just sick, man. And then they gave us the game-worn artistic endeavors. Oh, LeBron, you animal. Yeah, so without further ado, I was definitely not expecting that great of a hit. I'm not really sure how much those cards are worth, but this will wrap up the King's Courts video. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and let me know what you want to see next. Peace.